welcome back. And today is gonna be a bit different. I will work on my Maxima, and it's an oil change and simple shit like power steering fluid change right now. But I noticed that one of my hoses is leaking, probably because of the clamp is old. Yeah, so let's do it. Not too bad, huh? But it's normal, especially when you drive these cars hard. VQ engine, obviously any VQ engine is gonna eat up the oil if you step on it. So it just likes it. That's how one of my buddies blew his engine on the 350. You know, he didn't check it too often. Have more space if you take off the cover. Oh yeah. Just let's see how hot it is. Bit warm. Okay. I'm not too hot anymore. I've been driving earlier. Yeah, me and my transmission, we don't like each other too much since it's an automatic, and I just don't. And that's okay, because I'm getting 5 speed sometime soon. So yeah, this is gonna be usually a 14mm bolt. I don't know the US amount or whatever they call it, diameter. But yeah, 14mm bolt, and then the filter is on the side under that flappy thing. Most Nissans like that. If you have a VQ engine, it's on the side. You know, most of the time. Even if it's a rear-wheel drive setup, same thing. Has a little flappy door instead of the side thing. Loosen it. Super cool. Just do it that way, you catch it and it doesn't go all over the place. Honestly, it might hit my guard, this thing close. That's oil. So make sure it's out, which is out. You can do it kind of clean. Then you want to be really quick, just like that. Let's see how much comes out. It's actually old, dude, because I went kind of far with it. So I did it in May, June, July, August, September, October. Basically it's November, so yeah, just hit 6 months on it. I think 6 months is the best time you can change oil. It's, you know, not too soon, so you don't have to spend a lot of money. It's quite dark for the usual. I mean, I've been driving the car hard, so probably that's why. Wouldn't be. Alright, so the battery is kind of dying on this thing, but one other like thumb rule I do, I always add a bit less because it's always easier to adjust a bit more. then you have to drain it out because you don't want to overfill your engine with a lot more oil. After that, basically I just put the oil jug in the trunk and then fill it up later, chuck it, I drive it. I'm gonna give you guys some tips like for starters or so on. So let's say your oil cap is fucking tight on any car. You know, I have a custom fucking oil cap. That's why I bought it, because the old plastic one always like cooked on it, right? And what you can do, you grab any like plier that gets pretty close to your cap. Try to find an indent or anything like that, and then you're gonna twist it with the plier itself. And just to make your cap not to seize on it like that. Fuck, the battery is dying, so I'm gonna be quick. You wanna put some oil on it. You wanna put some oil in the rubber itself, so it's not gonna get cooked on it. Another tip, let's hit the filter. Just hope it's not gonna die. I'm not gonna splash. Oh damn, it's actually pretty dark. Yeah, okay. You wanna put it in the box like this. What you wanna do, suck out the fluid. All that old fluid. Whatever you can from the reservoir. Just in case, because I think it's gonna start pushing out fluid, no cap. Always wanna wear glasses at least. Right, so that should know this filter housing do. There you go. Oh. I don't think it's coming out mostly because it's higher than the actual bottle. Well, at least my fluid is good. Pretty good. Actually, it's getting darker now, so I'm gonna try to finish this service. I went inside and charged the GoPro a bit. So yeah, I already cut the hose. Probably I have to cut a bit more off from it. There you go. Okay. Now, I'm gonna get the towel there or something, just in case as you pull it off. Fluid is coming out, of course. So we pull the filter off. Alright, so I'm actually finishing it in the dark, dude. Pretty good right now. Just have to wipe it a bit. Seems like the other hose was like pre-molded or some shit. Oh, dude. Still recording, guys. Holy shit. Okay, so what's gonna happen now? I'm gonna fill the reservoir up with power steering, start the car up, turn the wheels left and right 5 times, suck out the fluid, probably repeat it one more time, and then I should be done. I don't know if I record that. It's getting dark. Probably should. So I barely have a little bit left, right? So just want to make sure you know it's enough. The way you flush kind of the power steering system is you turn the wheels left and right. You know, I had bubbles in it, so it was quite weird. You know, my solenoid is clicking. If I go all the way, my belt slips a bit. I just want to make sure, you know, it's not gonna go fucking loaded with fluid.